After 10 long months, OpenAI has finally released Sora. This is by far the best AI video model I have ever seen, and we're gonna jump into how to sign up, how to use it, and how to make the best possible videos using Sora. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Let's jump right in. So right now, account creation is currently unavailable. I'm recording this video on Monday, December 9th at 9 p.m. EST. It's going on and off. Sometimes you can create an account, sometimes you can't. I was able to do it, so you can see here I'm actually logged into Sora, and I'm going to show you how to use Sora and how to make the best videos with Sora. So these are some of the example videos, and I'm telling you, this is so much better than Runway and every other AI video model. We've done a ton of AI video stuff on this channel, so you can go back and look at the library and see what we've done in the past, but really nothing compares. Something about the cinematic look of these videos, you can see here, you know, this like old hand writing on a scroll, the seagulls flying over in the sunset, this cargo ship. This is so impressive. These like vintage videos here, vintage Yoruba wedding, just really, really cool stuff. So almost everything it does is like extremely impressive. You can still see some AI stuff, you know, it's still AI video. It's not 100% undetectable. There's some areas where you can see that it's AI video, but man, is it so good. Insanely impressive, and it's only gonna get better. So I'm super pumped if you can't tell. So let's jump in and start making some videos. So here are some of the videos that I've made already. I just started using this just a few hours ago. It's super slow right now because every time I try to create a video, it takes a long time. But basically the way this works is what I'll do, so I'll come back here to the homepage, and you can see down here, describe your video. So basically I come in here and let's start a new video here. Let's say cinematic shot of a large, busy city with a flyover and alien ships in the background. So I did something like this similarly with Runway. So you basically have a few options here. I can open up the presets here. They're gonna have a bunch of different presets that you can select. You can select the aspect ratio, video quality. So by the way, you need to have ChatGPT Pro to use this. I believe you get about 50 videos or maybe 500 videos. I'm not exactly sure if you have ChatGPT Pro. So I have like the $20 a month one. They have a upgraded tier that's $200 a month, and I think it's unlimited or up to like 1,000 videos or more, 10,000 videos you can generate per month. So depending on how much you're going to use this, that might be worth it. But right now, you know, this is totally fine for me. I'm just doing mostly experiments right now. But I think also you can get up to this 1080p resolution if you have that higher tier, or maybe right now they're just limiting this because there's so many people using it. They're not letting you do 1080p. I'm not sure, but you do have that option there. You can choose 5, 10, 15, and 20 seconds. This is very long from what I've seen from AI video generators. 20 seconds is actually really, really long. And then you can actually do, you know, different variations here, 1 video, 2 video, or 4 video variations. So you basically write out what you want and then you hit storyboard. When I hit storyboard, it's actually going to create a storyboard. So what's really cool about this is it actually gives you a prompt, right? So it starts writing a prompt for you. So a sweeping cinematic shot reveals a bustling metropolis with towering skyscrapers. So it gives you these scenes, right? So you have scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3 that it's basically creating for you here. So the first scene is the most detailed. The second scene is a little less detailed, obviously, and then the third scene as well. But you can see this is going to be, this is seconds here, 0.004, and then 2, and then 4 here. So I'm assuming this is like seconds. So like 0 to 2, and then 2 to 3, and then the last 4 to 5 seconds here, since it's a 5-second video. That's what it looks like down here. It's like a timeline. So in other words, it's going to create these 3 separate scenes for our clip, but I can edit this too, right? So I can edit out this whole storyboard. And obviously you're going to be able to build longer, more detailed storyboards depending on how long your video is going to be, right? So right now it's only limiting me to 5 and 10 seconds. But if I were to do 10 seconds, you can see I can create extra storyboard areas here, right? Describe the scene or add an image or video to detail the screen. So very, very cool stuff. I'm going to scale this back to 5 seconds and we're going to go ahead and create this. So when you do that, it adds it to the queue, and then you can see that it's, you know, starting to prepare that and create that video. So if we come back to one of the ones I already made here, what's really cool, so I could edit this storyboard like I mentioned, we could add scenes, things like that. But the other thing I can do is I can trim and extend this, so I can go to the different variations and I can recut them, or I can remix them. So let's say I wanted to use this one right here, variation 1. I can start to remix this. So now I can say, you know, describe what you want to add, remove, or replace. So this is what makes this so cool. I haven't seen this in any other video generator. So I'm going to say, show some aliens floating down into the pyramid complex. And we're going to do a strong remix there, and I'm going to remix that. So now what I'm basically saying is to show some aliens floating down from the spaceship. Let's see if it figures it out and if it works. In the meantime, our Metropolis video is done here. So this is pretty cool. So you can see it's basically what I asked for. You know, a lot of cars flowing through a city here. So this one looks a little weird, but this one actually looks really good here on the right side. So if we look at this variation, it's pretty impressive. I guess these are alien ships. You can kind of see them. It's kind of cool. It's kind of mixing them with the lights. So I'm going to remix this as well. And I'm going to say flying flying saucer spaceships whiz above the traffic. And let's strong remix that. And we'll remix that as well. So now we have two things that we're remixing here. So this one's almost done 98%. I'm actually really impressed with how fast this is too. Stuff like Runway is actually a lot slower. Even if you have like a paid tier, it's actually a lot slower. So this remix very quickly here. So here's the one I asked for. Show some aliens floating down to the pyramid complex. You can see those aliens here. Just insanely cool stuff. And the other thing you can do is you can actually blend this. So I could bring in another video. So I can come in and blend this video with another video. And then I can create a seamless loop of this video also, which is really cool. So I haven't played with all the tools, but I wanted to bring this to you because it's so impressive so far. I'm blown away with what Sora's doing. So definitely, if you can, try to sign up for it. I'm going to basically release this video either a day or two after I film this. So by then, hopefully, when you're watching this, there's going to be a lot less activity and you'll be able to sign up for Sora. So I'll put all that links in the description below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Please drop a comment what you think about Sora, what you think about this video model. And if you like this video, definitely give it a like and subscribe to the channel for a lot more.